I first found MenSpeak just before lockdown, and then during lockdown, because I didn't have as many people around, and like anyone, I would go to MenSpeak every lunchtime. And to start with, I think I was very guarded, very much like, am I allowed to say any of these things? Talking about emotions was completely foreign to me. But I found it was really relaxing in a way once I got to the point where I could talk about how I felt. And it was really nice to see that everyone had the same things that we were talking about, and there was a lot of resonance between all of the men. And previous to that, I think I was the typical guy. I would go to the pub, I would talk about, well, I wouldn't, not completely typical because I wouldn't talk about football, but I talk about all the normal things you talk about in a pub, and no one ever talked about feelings ever in my circle of men. And so now, since I've done MenSpeak for quite a long time now I find that my conversations, even in the pub, they do turn to feelings, and people will talk if I open the door to it. So it's really, it's been interesting.
I found MenSpeak when my mental health wasn't great, and what I found was the company of just men to talk about how I am, what's important to me, and to let go of all the sort of performing stuff that I used to find myself doing, just helped me reconnect with myself and brought me into a community of men that I've made great friends with.
MenSpeak is about understanding what authenticity really is in myself, and how to be authentic in life. I'd highly recommend it because it's made such an impact on my life, and I haven't found that space to really connect at depth with other men, and I found that being able to do it in the groups has allowed me to be able to do it in my wider life.
Okay, we just have a great session here with a bunch of amazing guys and people. I was reflecting on it to the team and to all of us, thinking in how important is this in moments where we think that we are connected or hyper connected, and we are maybe less connected than ever. Have a physical space to engage, to feel, for the ones who want to talk, the ones who want to listen, but feel heard, feel safe, feel again connected. I wish there are more spaces and more people doing this more often to really feel the positive effects they have in their life and the life of the people they love. So I really enjoy being here, and I'm glad to Kenny and the team organizing it.
I joined the MenSpeak community about 10 years ago, and I really love feeling like part of something, feeling like part of a community, having the depth, the connection, meeting new people, and being able to talk about whatever's going on for me, and listening to other people's experiences. And I think ever since I joined the community, I felt like I made a lot of new friends. I've developed my confidence, and I really feel like I'm part of something, and something that has a deeper meaning and purpose to it.
I go to the men's group check-ins. I find them massively helpful, actually, for myself. I think the thing I learn most is that I am struggling in the same ways that other people are struggling, and that's okay. And there's some real community and help in that. It's very friendly, open, and if you're thinking about it, just go.
It's been an amazing experience. I feel that I've really changed. I've become more open, confident. I can express myself better, particularly with men. It's been quite a journey. Totally recommend it to any man, to be honest with you, any walks of life. I feel it is life-changing. You'll definitely feel that in other areas of your life. I think even things like with your romantic partners and your kind of dating life, or you're married or whatever, I think your relationships will improve. So I'll definitely recommend it to anybody.